In this video, I'm going to show how to do the 5-number summary using Google Sheets, and then we'll make something similar to a box plot. Google Sheets doesn't have a box plot, but it does have something called Candlestick Chart, which is very similar to a box plot. And so we'll use these functions right here in Google Sheets. And so the candlestick chart, instead of using 5 numbers like minimum, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, and maximum, it just used 4 numbers: minimum, maximum, first quartile, second, then third quartile. So once again, these are the functions that were used to get the 5-number summary. Minimum for the minimum MIN, and then the data range to get the minimum quartile. Data range, comma 1. 1 will signifies we want the first quartile. And then for the second quartile, it become 2. And then the third quartile become 3. And then for the maximum, it's just MAX, and then the data range. And now let's look at an example. So here I have a set of data, GDP per capita of 214 countries. The first one, the first data value is in cell F13, and the last one will be in cell F226. So this last one right here is in cell F226. So once again, the data values are in cell F13 to cell F226. And so for this set of data values of GDP per capita, to get the minimum, which is type equal, MIN, and then F13 colon F226, and it will give us the minimum value. In this case, it would be $199. To get the first quartile, we just do type equal quartile F13 colon F226, and then comma 1. And then in this case, it would be $2,548. And once again, the first quartile, this number, it means that 25% of the data values are less than this number. For a second quartile, we just type in quartile, and then data range, and then comma 2. And it'll give us the second quartile, which is also the median. In this case, it's 9,393. So 50% of the data values are less than 9,393. For the third quartile, we just type quartile, and then data range, and then comma 3, and it'll give us $29,638. And then what it means is that 75% of the data values are less than this number. And then to get the maximum, we just type equal max, and then F13 to F226. So in this case, it's $240,862. And as I explained at the beginning of the video, to make a box plot, Google Sheets doesn't have a box plot option, but it has something called Candlestick Chart, which is very similar, but the Candlestick Chart only uses 4 values. So to make a Candlestick Chart, we would highlight these 5 cells right here. The first cell must be a text field, And so if we just highlight these 4 values only, and then Google Sheets won't make the chart. So to make the chart, you have to highlight 5 cells like this. So these 5 cells. And then click on the chart icon up here. And then it will make like a bar chart. But go over here. And then where it says column chart, clicked on it, and then change it to candlestick. And then it will make the candlestick chart. And so down here, this will be the minimum. Next, and then right here, this will be the first quartile, and the third quartile, and then the maximum is up here. And then, of course, the median will be somewhere in here. And so that's how we do a 5-number summary. Minimum, first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, maximum, and then something that looks like a box plot in Google Sheets. And that's the end of the video.